All right, good morning. It's January, what is today? January 11th. Oh my gosh. Monday morning. Actually, I'm going to be really busy this weekend, but what I can do is I'll just want to recap the weekend since I don't do vlogs on this weekend. But yesterday I did upload a day in a life, one of I don't know why this audio keeps going out. This is very interesting. I don't know if it's the cord. Maybe I have a bad cord. I don't know, but we'll see. Yeah, this weekend this week is going to be busy, but this weekend was pretty fun. I had a good time. Let me look at my notes. So going back to Oh yeah, Saturday. Wow. Actually, Friday. What did I do on Friday? Did I talk about Friday? Oh no, I did think. Yeah, actually Friday, because I ended up doing the vlog in the morning, so I didn't talk about that day. So I have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Let's see, Friday. Just a little recap. I woke up at 9, and I think they were talking about actually the politics. Then that day, Trump is going down. It's like so crazy, but I guess the protests that happened in the Capitol, now they're saying it was a total pre-planned, or they're finding evidence that it was pre-planned coup or something like that. So crazy. Oh my God. These last 4 years, I have seen things that I never thought I'd see in my life, I guess. I don't know. It's so nuts. Wow. But very interesting. And 2020 just continues on. Let's see what else happened. Let's see. Worked on the website that day. Emailed some Ook clients for the. Oh yeah, I had the new Ook social on Saturday. I had to do some stuff on that. Client calls Tim about handpan appointment. Oh yeah. Set up a handpan appointment. That was cool. Went shopping at the $100 store. We did go to Target. We call it the $100 store. I don't know if you call it that, but yeah, we call it the $100 store. And Carrie got a new espresso machine. We had some espressos this weekend, which was really cool. What else? And yeah, actually, I had a thought that day because my car has been ever since COVID. Actually, it's been a long time. I don't drive my car a lot. And actually, it's been in the garage for almost a month or two, and the battery's dead. And so I don't drive that much. And actually, we have 2 cars, me and Carrie, but I just use her other car. And it's kind of crazy. I think about it because when I was younger, I was so crazy about cars. And now I'm not so crazy. Honestly, I like everything I can do right now is in walking distance. I have to go to the shop every once in a while and go pick up stuff, but I can use Carrie's car for that. So I'm thinking about getting rid of my car. What do you guys think? That'd be kind of cool. Maybe get one later, but I have my bike that I can ride around here. I just kind of want to, I don't know. I just haven't needed it. So, and there's other ways to do it. So maybe I can lessen my, my carbon footprint and just get rid of my car. That'd be kind of cool. Very interesting to think about because I think about it. I go, I really don't need one. It's pretty crazy. Kind of cool. I like it. I think that's one of the benefits of working at home. It's like you really don't need your car. It's kind of cool. So that's one of the things I thought about Friday. So then on Saturday, I woke up early because I had a bunch of stuff to do on Saturday. I was so busy. Woke up early. I had an appointment early in the morning for a handpan with a friend, or with our client Tim. Cool guy. We really hit it off quite well, and he bought a handpan, and so awesome. Our client, like, working at Dave's Island Instruments is so cool because our clients are totally different. I've done a lot of sales things, but I've never been like this close with the clients is so cool. It's cool to share music and be able to bring music into people's lives, because I don't know, it's just every time they're smiling. Everybody leaves smiling. I'm spilling coffee on myself. I totally spilled coffee on myself. Hold on a second, I gotta get back. So funny. Totally spilling coffee on myself. Morning. I guess I need more coffee. That's what they're saying. I need to bring it. I wonder if it's good for your skin. Coffee on the skin? I don't know. But I did wake up early on Saturday, and then went to the shop for that appointment, sold a hand pan. Then I had to come back because I had a live show. Well, the appointment was at 10:30. Spent an hour, then had to come back for the live show, and that was at 1 o'clock. And I still have to set up. Usually I set up a scene here, and like here, right here, and do that. Then for the live show, I had a ook social. So basically I was going from, I woke up early. I think it was like 8 or 9. That's early for Saturday. And then, just went all the way till like 3:30. And then I was pretty much done after that. I think I was tired for the week, and I just crashed. So that was good. And then on Sunday, I was taking the day of rest. Woke up late. Actually, I can't even remember what time I woke up, but I think it was pretty late, towards the afternoon. Early afternoon, probably 11. It was a nice day. I wrote that here. It was a nice day. We had espresso for breakfast. It was kind of cool. Carrie made some espresso. She loves her new espresso maker. And then, actually, I just wrote this. I need to go to Ohana this week again. Actually, there's going to be some cool stuff. I think it's this week. Stephanie's told me to come by this week because she has something special for me. So that's going to be fun. Actually, I worked a little bit yesterday. I updated some of the ook stuff. Inventory on the website, and it was cool. I took a walk yesterday. This is a cool story. I took a walk yesterday, and I've talked about it before. The neighbor girl that skates outside, and it was funny because I saw her skate, and I noticed that her board, like when she was pushing, because she can't really turn yet, but she can go really fast straight. But she was going straight, but her board was just kept on going into the grass. She'd go until it like curved into the grass. And in skateboarding, it just means her trucks were too tight. She can't lean. So I saw her the other day. I was skating by, and I go, "Hey, let me see your skateboard. Is it okay if I look at your skateboard?" Because I wanted to check out her trucks to make sure they're okay. And she's like, "Yeah." And her mom was there. And I go, "Hey, is it okay if I fix your trucks?" Because I skated it. And she's like, "Okay." And then I just loosened them a little bit, and I skated on it, showed her how to lean, and then gave it back to her. And she skated, and she was turning. It was super cool. But the cool part of it is that I was looking at the board, and I'm sitting there talking to her mom. And then she was asking me some questions, and I look at the board. And it had, oh my God, I got to show you. This is so funny. Let me do this. It's so crazy. Let's see. Maybe I can airdrop this. Oh yeah, here we go. Accept and save the downloads. Where's my downloads? Boom, boom, boom. All right. Oops. That. All right. Oh, where'd it go? Okay. Let's see if it shows up in here. Go. Oh, yeah. And you had this board. I could not believe it. It was so crazy. I started loosening trucks, and then talking to her mom. I go, "Oh my God, this is my brother's board." And it's kind of hilarious because I think about it. I'm like, wow, that's so gnarly. I remember being that age and sporting a board and learning how to skate, but oh my gosh. And I told my brother, I'm like, oh my gosh, there's kids learning on your board right now. Life, man. It's so nuts, and it could just throws you crazy things like that. It tripped me out to see that. It's so nuts. Actually, I had another story like that. We were in Mars, France. This is our first time. This was my first time for say. They have a school, and we're at the beach, and we were for towels, and we go into this like surf shop over there. And I'm walking around, and I look on the wall, and there's a picture of my brother because he used to be sponsored by it. Just this full picture of my brother. I think I took a picture of it, but we're in Paris, in Marseille, France, and I see a picture. So funny. Weird. It's weird how stuff like that happens and it trips you out. Cool quinky dinks. I love them. Let's see. What happened that day? Oh yeah, that was the great story. And then I edited my quick day in the life. That was fun, actually. As out, if I have to go down to the shop or go to a hall, I'll definitely film that. That was kind of fun to film and see everybody. That's really cool. And then let's see. What did I eat? Oh no, that's pretty cool. But anyway, it's pretty much my weekend. Yeah, and now I'm here. It's Monday, and I know I have a busy week. I have to go to Ohana this week. What am I doing today? I know I have some like crazy stuff to do today. I don't know. I just have to check and see. Oh yeah, I have to go to It's Modern Bud, talk about some invoices. Business. But actually, I was thinking about like just doing the first week vlog. I know in the beginning I talked about like how it's been changing me, and just this first week it's been pretty nuts. I don't know, the changes. I can't really put a finger on it right now. On the change, feel different by doing these vlogs. It's kind of crazy. Being introspective about your life, I think, is what this is all about. And then right now, I'm just like, I write little notes every just remember, and then it helps me plan out my day. And then I think one of the things it might help me with is be Alright, I gotta figure this out. My audio on this keeps cutting out. I don't know if it's the Scarlet or the maybe cable. Maybe I should get a new. I should try that. I bet you this cable is just too long. Maybe that's it. That's what I'll do today. I'll order a new XLR cable and see if that's affecting this mic thing. So I bet you that it's what it is. Hopefully, I don't know. Other than that, today, mine's not working right now. I have some crazy stuff on my mind, but what else was I going to talk about today? One of the things I need to do, I noticed I haven't been reading lately. I don't know, but I need to read more. I'm on page 28 on this book, but there's still good stuff on here, so I need to Daniel make some time to read, so I have to I don't know. I'll do that. I'll set aside maybe, I think half an hour. Good time to read. Yeah, that should be good. Other than that, doing these vlogs last week, I get pretty tired. And it's kind of fun. I think I have a system down. And, coming into February, this is going to be kind of crazy going live every morning, because that's going to be the tell-all, because I have to wake up and come in at 9 and then do the vlog and just go from there. So it's a challenge, but it's fun. I am up for the challenge, and it's all about. I think life is. I think before life is. You know what? I'm having audio issues, and I don't know what keeps cutting out. So I had to just short today and then pick it up tomorrow so I can figure out what's wrong with this audio. But everything's good. I had a good weekend, and I'm looking forward to this week because I have some cool things that I want to take in. And I just need to get busy and, go for it. So vlog, I think the 5, January 11th, January 11th, Monday. So another vlog. I will see you tomorrow. Actually, let's see if I can find a quote. I'm going to find a quote. I'm going to definitely find a quote. All right. Look at this. Quit it. My Scarlet audio keeps on cutting out. All right, here, I'll do this before it cuts out again. Quote, music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. Let me say it again. Music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, to the imagination, life to everything. Actually, I could totally agree with that. Ever since music came into my life, and that was from Kohler. These are the 2 books I'm kind of really interested in right now. So they're really cool. But yeah, I think ever since I started playing music, it's totally changed my life. Totally changed my outlook on life. And, I believe it's one of the keys to being successful in life is, to have music in your life, because again, I think we're all musical and we're just dying to get that music out of us. So it's just a lost thing, I think. But anyways, yeah, January 11th. All right, is it January 11th? I said it again. January 11th, Monday. Vlog number 5. Keep my ukulele. I'll talk to you soon.